Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best MKS Aceoffix quick release reviews. Product details. Point 1. The body is made of aluminum alloy 6061-26, thin and compact design. 2. The axis is made of high-quality stainless steel CNC, with high strength and good wear resistance. 3. Each foot bearing adopts 3 sealed stainless steel bearings. 4. Oil-resistant rubber, waterproof and dust-proof.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.